This is Z when he's little. Of course, he's on a motorcycle. He grew up with motorcycles. His dad, who went by Z, also had a motorcycle shop. So he grew up, out there helping his dad and playing around. This is him a little older. Big boy motorcycle instead of the little one.
Snapshots of moments.
This is from our trip to California, Redwoods.
That made up a life.
These
are
are
wedding
from
pictures?
our wedding, yeah. We did a destination wedding out in Idaho.
For Stacy Greenfield, these photos of her husband, Z Zabrowski, are precious reminders of what life was like before.
We just were able to enjoy each other. We enjoyed doing the same things, going camping, being outdoors.
Before Zabrowski, who was in addiction recovery when they met, began using again.
He hid it. He was embarrassed, so he hid it.
Before he overdosed in 2023 on an illicit pill she believes was laced with fentanyl and was brought back to life with the help of naloxone.
I told him, you're gonna end up dead. You're gonna end up dead, and I'm gonna be here alone. He said, no, babe, that won't happen.
And before he took the pill that would ultimately end his life.
He went to the drug dealer's house, went in for 45 minutes, came back out, drove about 2 minutes down the road, pulled over, and he never left. That's where he was found dead.
Police found Zabrowski, a truck driver, dead in his semi in this Roy neighborhood on May 3rd, 2025. His cause of death, an oxycodone pill laced with fentanyl.
The one pill can kill, because it only takes one pill.
So you can see it's very easy. The counterfeit pills, they're made to look like M30 pills.
Miguel Chino is the Assistant Special Agent in charge of the Drug Enforcement Administration's Rocky Mountain Field Division.
Any questions about the machine?
He recently showed reporters how, with the help of a machine like this one, drug dealers can mass-produce pills that look like prescription medications, but are cut with or made entirely of fentanyl.
You might have, homes across the border in the United States or in Mexico that have 20, 30 of these machines in there. And this machine here, I believe, produces 4,000 pills an hour.
Fentanyl is an extremely potent, addictive, and deadly synthetic opioid. It can be 50 times stronger than heroin and 100 times stronger than morphine. Because it's grown in a lab and doesn't rely on a crop cycle like some other drugs, it's also incredibly cheap to manufacture.
It only costs the cartel about 1 cent a pill. Here in the state of Utah, you buy a pill for $1 to $5, depending on the time. So the profit margin is extremely big.
Turning a profit, Chino told us, is the primary objective for those who press these pills, even as deaths from fentanyl have surged. In 2023, the drug killed around 72,000 Americans and nearly 300 Utahns. Aren't they killing off a lot of their potential clientele?
Well, one thing we need to understand is these aren't scientists that are making these pills. And so they're not recruiting scientists that know the formula of how much fentanyl goes into each pill. These are Mexican drug cartels that are just, everything is driven by the dollar.
The DEA estimates about 30% of illicit pills contain a potentially lethal dose of fentanyl. But because fentanyl is odorless and colorless, people may not even know they're taking it.
And that's why we need to have the conversation with family, friends, loved ones, anybody we know. You don't take anything into your mouth, medication-wise, pill-wise, unless it came from a doctor, prescription, and a pharmacy.
Through its Fentanyl Free America initiative, Chino says the DEA's goal is total elimination of fentanyl in the United States.
Because one overdose death of a human being is too much.
We haven't really jumped, but we also haven't really come hugely back down.
Tricia Bishop is the overdose prevention coordinator with Utah Health Department. She says overdose deaths due to fentanyl in Utah have decreased slightly from their high in 2023.
I do think that in Utah we've done a very good job of educating and providing tools for the community, for those people who are at risk of overdoses, and I think this has helped kind of level it off.
But she said fentanyl still remains a high concern, especially because it can be lethal in such small amounts. Last year, preliminary data shows 236 Utahns died from the drug.
We're continuing to see overdoses, and we're continuing to know that this is a risk, and fentanyl is continuing to be adulterated into our drugs, unbeknownst to us.
Let's get out there, show God's love, help people, show them that they are loved.
In the months after her husband's death, Greenfield was angry. She'd warned him about illicit pills and felt he hadn't listened.
But the more I come to understand fentanyl itself, it's just a horrible, horrible thing to get away from once you've got that taste. And so, yeah, he just couldn't do it. And I realized now it wasn't me or anything I could have done to change what happened. Hi, how are you guys? Good, how are you? Do you mind if I ask you a couple questions real quick? We're with the Godfather Foundation.
With time, she began channeling her grief into advocacy.
Tell you what I have and you can tell me yes or no. So I have housing.
Stacy is now the Godfather Foundation's executive director. The group focuses on substance abuse support and awareness, with a special focus on fentanyl.
You know anyone that's personally overdosed from fentanyl?
Yeah.
Okay. And I'm just curious because lately we've seen a rise in meth and cocaine overdoses, but it's because it's laced with fentanyl. Do you know if any of those were mixed drugs or it was just fentanyl?
Just fentanyl.
Just fentanyl, okay.
Providing resources and naloxone, the opioid overdose reversal drug.
I think every time we give a box out, we're possibly saving a life.
As she builds a new life without her husband,
I would be really proud of what I'm doing.
Greenfield works to keep his memory alive and keep others safe.
I think he would be upset with himself,
In Ogden, Taylor Stevens,
but he'd be proud of what I'm doing. Do you know any needs out there in the community right now?
Fox 13 News, Utah.